Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, we're going to build, price, and option a 2020 Chevrolet Impala Premier, as well as learn about the features and other configurations. Before we do, however, I just want to remind you that if you find this build and price review helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Large sedans aren't nearly as popular as they used to be. I even thought that Chevrolet would discontinue the Impala after the 2019 model year. Yet somehow the Impala is soldiering on for at least one more year. And even though the number of trim levels and options diminishes for 2020, there's life yet in Chevy's big four-door sedan. This generation of Impala, introduced in 2014, has always been a solid choice in the segment, offering a roomy interior, a spacious trunk, smooth acceleration, and a ride quality that's plush without being overly soft and floaty. In short, the 2020 Chevy Impala does exactly what you would expect from a large, comfort-oriented sedan. The 2020 Chevrolet Impala is a full-size sedan available in two trim levels. The LT replaces the discontinued LS as the entry-level Impala. It has many standard features and a pair of option packages. Buyers who want the whole shebang can upgrade to the Premier model, which has two packages that further upgrade its equipment offerings. Both trims utilize a 3.6-liter V6 engine that makes 305 horsepower and 264 pound-feet of torque that sends power to the front wheels via a 6-speed automatic transmission. Standard features on the Impala LT include 18-inch wheels, heated mirrors, remote engine start, keyless entry and ignition, dual zone automatic climate control, rear air vents, a power driver seat, faux leather and cloth combination upholstery, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, an 8-inch touchscreen, a 6-speaker audio system with two USB ports, satellite radio, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto functionality. The Impala LT also offers two upgrade packages. The Driver Confidence package includes blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and rear parking sensors. There's also the Convenience package, which brings heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and auto dimming rear view mirror and household style power outlet. Upgrading to the Premier adds 19-inch wheels, xenon headlights, unique exterior accents, ambient lighting, a power passenger seat, leather upholstery, a wireless smartphone charging pad, a navigation system, and an 11-speaker Bose audio system with a CD player. It also includes the LT's driver confidence package, plus heated front seats and the power outlet. A sunroof is available as a standalone option. Optional packages for the Premier include the Premier Convenience package, which adds ventilated front seats, a heated and power adjustable steering wheel, driver seat memory settings, and auto dimming rearview mirror and driver side mirrors. And then there's the Premier Confidence package. This includes 20-inch wheels, adaptive cruise control, for collision warning, and lane departure warning. If you're considering the 2020 Chevy Impala over the smaller Malibu, chances are you want a comfy cruiser that feels a little special. To that end, skip over the base LT and opt for the Premier, which includes advanced safety features, upgraded headlights, and leather. I also think it's worth getting the Premier Convenience package, which costs a little bit and adds a surprising number of desirable luxury features. Okay, let's jump into this build and price review of the 2020 Chevrolet Impala. We are going to build and price the top tier Premier. It only comes in two trim levels, but real quick before we get started, I just want to remind you to take a look at some of my other related build and price reviews. These are reviews of vehicles that I've done build and prices of that compete directly with this Chevy Impala. I've put links in the description below. I mentioned the Malibu. Well, I did the 2019 Malibu. I've done the Ford Fusion. I actually did the 2018 Chevy Impala. You might want to take a look at the brand new upcoming 2020 Cadillac CT4. I did that. And actually the Toyota Avalon and Honda Accord. So I put those links down in the description below. So make sure you check out one or all of them after you watch this entire video. Okay, so we can see down here that they have the exterior color options. There's not many. There just looks to be five. There's five exterior color options for the 2020 Chevrolet Impala, Chevy Impala. This color here, which I actually like, is the Cajun red tint coat. You got black. The Chevy Impala is actually nice looking. It's nothing super fancy, but it's a nice car. I like the car. Here's Summit White. Here's Silver Ice Metallic, and then Iridescent Pearl Tri-Coat. Up here we've got some fuel economy numbers for that V6 engine. gets 18 miles to the gallon in the city, 28 miles to the gallon on the highway. You got your max cargo capacity of 18.8 cubic feet. And yeah, we know the horsepower, 305, and this vehicle seats up to 5 people. Let's go through the gallery images. There's not many. There's like 4 exterior photos here, and they're not even that good of resolution, to be quite honest with you. So yeah, here's 4 exterior photos. Now we got 4 interior photos. It looks like there's a little cubby that's behind this the infotainment screen. There's a little cubby back there, and it might be the wireless charging space, I believe. I know it's like that on the Cadillac. So Cadillac being General Motors and Chevrolet being General Motors, it probably is like that. And they're showing the Apple CarPlay right up here as well, just FYI as a note. Here's some ambient lighting up in here. We can see that little ambient lighting on the doors and along the dash. Got to be the Premier, this one here, don't you think? Here they're showing Android Auto, actually, on the infotainment. And yeah, so those were our 8 gallery images. Yeah, like I said, they haven't made a major change to this car since 2014. That's when they completely redesigned the Impala. So it's no surprise that they're not throwing a whole bunch at the website today. That said, let's talk about the design. Get stares at every turn, it says. You know what? It is nice looking. Like I said, it's nothing fancy. It's nothing fancy about this car. Nothing exotic about it. It's not competing with the finest German sedans or anything like that. But it is nice. Seats 5 adults. It's got a nice, beautiful shape. I like the exterior, and I like the interior. I like GM products just as a blanket statement. Here, they're talking about that technology. Just to reiterate, I've kind of broken down everything, but let's just run through the site, see what they want to tell us, and then we're just going to jump right to the build and price anyway. So, yeah, there's an available 4G LTE. That's why you might as well just get the Premier. Then you just get everything. Okay, you get the Apple CarPlay, you get everything, and there's not much to option, right? Some ventilated seats, stuff like that. And if you're not really crazy about that kind of stuff, then don't worry about it, right? If you really want those 20-inch wheels and stuff like that, maybe you might want that Premier Confidence package. Otherwise, just if you got the base Premier, I think you're already good to go right there. You got leather interior, all that. Speaking of which, let's find out what the MSRP, what the prices are. I know we saw what they could be, but I didn't mention them. So let's go take a look real fast. Okay, so the LT starts at $31,620, and the Premier starts at $36,720. They say prices shown is basically $37,595. So well under $40,000, or under $40,000. I won't say well under $40,000. Surely this car is fully loaded. And so yeah, all right. Let's go find out the rest of the features and then do the build and price. There's just, for their performance, they don't really say much, right? They just let us know it's a direct injected 305 horsepower, 3.6 liter V6 engine, available with front wheel drive. All wheel drive is not even an option. All right, let's talk safety. That the 2020 Impala has received a 5-star overall vehicle safety score from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Here are some available safety features: an available lane departure warning, available forward collision alert, available automatic emergency braking, available adaptive cruise control, looks to be a standard rear vision camera, and then available rear cross traffic alert. And like I said, if you get the Premier, I think we pretty much got all the safety features that we want. So the Premier, to me, is really kind of the way to go. I think there's one more thing. Yeah, available lane change alert with blind spot zone alert as well. All available features. Yeah. All right, let's move on. Let's check some quick specs. Overall length, 201.3 inches. So this thing's about the size of a Dodge Charger, maybe a little bit bigger. Overall height, 58.9 inches. Let's see, what else? Your front headroom, 39.9 inches. Your front leg room, 45.8 inches. Your front shoulder room, 57.9 inches. Actually, I just recently did a build and price of the 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack wide body hot car, super hot car. Links down in the description below. All right, last thing they really got to tell us is about complete care. What is this comprehensive complete care package? What is that all about? Let's find out really, really fast. So Chevy Complete Care included maintenance during your first 12 months of ownership of model year 2019. We cover maintenance stuff that's like oil filter changes, DF. If you got a diesel, they do a little stuff, tire rotate, basic stuff, nothing major. Here they just break down their little warranty, 3-year, 36,000 mile. warranty, your powertrain 5 years, 60,000 mile, anti-corrosion 6 year, 100,000 mile. Their little EV and hybrid 8 year, 8,000 mile warranties. They've got roadside assistance, right? 24-hour roadside assistance. That's good. It's a courtesy transportation. 5 years, 60,000 miles. Fix your flats. Jumpstart your car. Emergency fuel delivery. All the towing, stuff like that. Then they're showing their Chevrolet connected services, like their OnStar, which crash response, roadside assistance, turn-by-turn navigation, stolen vehicle assistance. Then what's this Chevrolet connected access? What is this? Smart driver and vehicle diagnostics. So yeah, so you can gotta check your car, see the health of your car, monthly vehicle diagnostics reports, dealer maintenance notifications, Chevrolet Smart Driver, and then marketplace stuff. Don't really know what that is, but we're not worried about it. They got the My Chevrolet app, lock and unlock your doors, start your car, sound your horn, set parking reminders. Real fast before you do the build, let's find out a little bit more about this technology with their infotainment system, with the Chevrolet's infotainment system. They say explore connected services. Let's do that real fast. Since they don't tell us a lot, Chevrolet does not have a lot of information about this Impala. So good thing I had a great intro, so we know all the standard features, because boy, they sure didn't get into it. But let's explore those connected services a little bit, and then we'll just jump into the build and price right from there. Promise. Okay, so what is the connected services all about? It's probably not much, because the slider on this page is really huge, so that means they don't have that much to say. But so let's just dive into it, I guess, really fast. Well, we already knew about this one, the Chevrolet, the app. So, you could do stuff like start your car and do all those kinds of things. We're not going to get into that. There's the in-vehicle technology, like what? Stream your favorite songs, do podcasts, check up on the news. So yeah, they're still not really saying anything. They want you to explore. I thought we were exploring the in-vehicle technology. I thought that's why we got to this page. Well, I guess there's another page, but we're not going to go to that page. We're just going to finish out whatever they got to say on this page, and then we're out of here. So something about Amazon, right? Package delivery possibly to your car. I think I heard something about that. Not sure if that's a Chevy thing or whatever, but I think you get package deliveries to your car, because she's looking like, somebody left these packages for me kind of thing, huh? See, they didn't say anything on that page. They said nothing. But we figured it out. It's an infotainment system, and I already went over all the basic standard features. If you don't remember that, just slide that slider back to the beginning of the video, where I go over the standard features of the LT and the Premier. Okay, at any rate, let's do the build and price. We're ready to go. Let's just jump into it. Okay, we already know we want to get the Premier. Okay, next step there is to choose the colors. I already hinted that I like the Cajun red tint coat, so we're going with that. That gives us the jet black perforated leather interior. That's what it looks like there. If you don't know, they didn't give us a really good shot of the interior in their 4 little measly interior photos. They could do a little bit better than that. You haven't changed the car really since 2014. So you're telling me in 6 years, all you could do is put together 8 photos in 6 years? Come on, man. All right, anyway, here's that Premier Confidence package. Gives us the 20-inch wheels, 4 collision alert. Here's that Premier, Premier Convenience package. This gives us stuff that I could probably do without. All right, but let's double check all of these. Let's hit this little information button. So it gives us 20-inch wheels, lane departure warning, 4 collision alert. I might want that stuff for $12.75, actually. You know what? I'll go ahead and take that for $12.75. And so to do that, we got to add a whole bunch of other things, too. We got to add that Premier Convenience package. I guess we got the whole shebang. I guess, like I said, we got the whole shebang. There it is. $2,200. We're all in. Look, we're sitting at $38,700. We're still under 40 grand out the door. And the reality is you could probably pick one of these up brand new at the dealer for less than $38,700. You know that. And they'll throw in the mats. So we're not even going to get the mats, because you know why? I'm going to go to the dealer. He's going to give me these mats for free. So I'm not even going to worry about that. Let's go to the exterior. All right, we already got the 20-inch wheels. We don't need an engine block heater. I always like wheel locks. It's cheap insurance. The dual pane sunroof is $1,050. That's going to go ahead and throw us up over 40 grand. Who cares? Let's do the sunroof. Let's do that cool rear spoiler. I like it. Oh, what? No, I guess we're not doing the spoiler, because I'm not removing my red Cajun tint coat. It's not happening. It's not happening. Front and rear splash guards. Yeah, I think I want to protect my my paint. $180. Boom. Front license plate bracket. Again, the dealer's going to give me one of those. I'm not worried about it for 40 bones. Are you kidding me? All right. Radio, we've got the high end. We got the one infotainment system they offer. Interior options. We have all the stuff besides the Premier all-weather floor mats. Let's go ahead and throw them bad boys in there. All right. Trunk organizer. That's actually kind of cool. I want a trunk organizer. I said truck because I have a truck and I'd love to have an organizer in the bed of that truck. I swear, seriously. All-weather cargo mat. Yep, want that bad boy too. TOO as in also. First aid kit. I always say no, but today let's go ahead and throw a first aid kit up in there. Why not? See, it comes with a Chevy bag. See the Chevy bag? That's why I'm getting it, just because of that. All right, let's step up to the accessories. I'm going to tell you right now, we're skipping over all of this. If you watched any of my General Motors videos, that's Buick, Cadillac, GMC, Chevrolet. That's all General Motors. They always do this stuff. Watch this. Electronics, right? Headphones, battery chargers. Yeah, I get it. It's all cameras. Are you kidding me? A dash camera? I've shown you this to tell you that when you get to the accessories part of a General Motors website, and I just mentioned the brands, they always throw this miscellaneous stuff just to see if they could get you for a few extra things that's unrelated to the car. None of this stuff is generally specific to any make or model. You know, shampoos and vehicle care and waxes and all that. All that's well and good, but we don't need to worry about any of that on this channel doing building prices. That's why I skip over it. All right, that said, let's move on to the summary. So, $40,000 and change, right? The vehicle started life at $36,720. Now we're sitting at a net price of $40,000. Well, it was like 41, but you know they have all these discount prices and this and that. So that's why we don't really get too much in the price. We just want a ballpark figure, and the ballpark figure is around $40,000 for this 2020 Chevrolet Impala. There it is. All right, so I like the car. Yeah, I guess it is long in the tooth. I don't know if they're going to redesign it or just do away with it. It's still nice, though. I like it. I like it in its top-tier trim, however. I don't want the base model. I don't want a base model. Forget all that. All right, so on that note, you know what? I'm going to say we're done with this video. If you found this review of the 2020 Chevrolet Impala Premier helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Other than that, I'm going to tell you to have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the very next video. So make sure you subscribe.